Hey, welcome back. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host. It's Paul Motley here. And wow, we made 15,000 downloads of the podcast, which is kind of crazy because my hometown has got it's like 60, 70,000 people. That means about a quarter of those, it's the equivalent of a quarter of those listening and downloading, which is pretty incredible. But I don't want to focus too much on that, but it's like I'm stood outside right now, okay? You might hear a local road near me, and I'm just, it's dark. I'm looking out into the night sky, and I don't know if you know too much about astronomy as such, but obviously pretty much every speck of light that you see in the sky are stars. Now, and what's really cool is like sometimes you can see, and some people will mistake this for like aircraft going across the sky, not super fast, but fast enough for you to look at it. And they're satellites, right? So just a little bit of a lesson for you. But I just wanted to tell you that the night sky, as we look at it right now, doesn't change that much. Okay, right? Yeah, you'll get the moon come up. You'll see some planets. They can be pretty bright right now. I'm staring at Mars, and over to my right, you've got Saturn and also Jupiter as well. But generally speaking, if you're part of the world, the night sky doesn't change that much on a nightly basis, right? But every so often, like I say, I spot these satellites, and it's the light reflecting from the sun off their metal bodies. And you can see it. It's almost like a high altitude aircraft. And you can get transfixed on it, and then you forget what's around. And this really is the purest definition of shiny object syndrome. So, you've got your sky, which could be your business, and you know what's happening with it. It slowly moves across, right? So it's slowly moving forward as you do, but every so often something will catch your interest, and you'll look at it and you'll start staring at it, and then your focus goes away from your business, and sometimes it can dilute your effectiveness as well. So the point of tonight's podcast was really to cool. It's great looking at these shiny objects as they move across the sky, or the new opportunities and stuff like that which come along, but you really want to double down and focus on what's important. And the important thing is your business and moving that forward, not to get distracted and start chasing other people's dreams, okay? Now, when you started this journey out with affiliate marketing, you probably had an idea of what you wanted to do. For most people, it's to start earning some money online. They probably have seen screenshots of people on Facebook or caught a video on YouTube, and they just had this inkling and thought, do you know what, I hate my job. I could really, want to be able to work from home, or I want to create an income where I don't have to work so many hours, and create some more freedom, create some more time with your friends and your family, because those are the things that are super important to enjoy a fulfilled life. So we start looking at alternatives, because oddly enough, they don't teach you affiliate marketing in school, right? They teach you that you have to work hard in school, and then you graduate, and then you go and get yourself a job, and then you work for the next 50 odd years, and then you retire. And now that's okay for most people. But I don't see why we should wait that long and wait for those rainy days before we start enjoying life that's around us. So if you can, this is why it's so important. If you're going to get into this business of affiliate marketing, then do something you're passionate about, because then it doesn't feel like a chore. Then it doesn't feel like another job that you've got to log in and clock in every day and grind it out. If you're passionate about what you're doing, as far as like affiliate marketing goes, it doesn't feel like a job. It doesn't feel mundane. It feels great. You have this amazing endorphins kick in when you complete a task. You feel excited about the next day and what you can get completed. And that's what you should be aiming for. So question yourself right now, are you excited about what you're doing? Because if you're not, then it is time to refocus. And I'm not talking about these satellites that I keep seeing flashing by, not flashing by, but you know what I mean, sort of like passing us by across the night sky here. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about just try and alter your goal, change what you're doing if you're not excited about it. Because believe me, it's so much easier to complete tasks and drive your business forward if you're actually excited about doing it. So I didn't want to wrap on too much about that tonight, but I just wanted to let you know. Oh man, there's another one. In fact, oh gosh, no, yeah. That's like the third satellite now I've seen since I've been doing this, slowly passing across the sky. Yeah, and not only that as well, just think about how vast the universe is and our place in it. Now, we might not be able to change the universe. We might not be able to change the world. We might not even be able to change the country we live in, but we can change our situation. You can alter your own destiny. So the power's in your hands, guys. I just wanted to let you know that it's possible. People out there have done it. You've seen it. It's probably what inspired you to get involved in this in the first place. So I want you to get out there and crush it and keep going.